This demo is aimed to show the practical and effective functioning of Delena Enterprises Gripx mechanical anchor bolts. Gripx is basically meant for fixing objects such as channels, angles, etc. to a concrete structure. We have one concrete cubical block of 150 mm size in which a 12 mm hole to the desired length is already drilled and one M12 and a 150 mm Gripx mechanical anchor bolt. We also have one steel block of square cross-section and piece of rolled steel angle in which holes are already drilled. The operation starts with pushing anchors in drilled hole. Though the end of the anchor is designed for pushing the bolt, one should still ensure that pushing tool should not damage threads. We shall be keeping steel block and angles over concrete block, ensuring that threaded portion is protruded out from angle. For the academic purpose, here we measure protruding length with the help of vernier caliper and note the initial reading. Now we put plain washer over the angle and start tightening nut with the help of ring spanner. The tightening process is now complete and both the pieces are firmly secured on concrete structure. Here one more reading is taken, and the difference between two readings is the clear indication that considerable taper portion of stud is pulled inside the sleeve, helping object to firmly grip with concrete structure. Delena Enterprises mechanical anchors have undergone all the preliminary lab tests related to ultimate tensile and shear strength, hardness and elongation. This cost-effective product is duly complemented with a strong technical and service backup which ensures 100% customer satisfaction.